Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we'll be continuing with our examples of chapter number 8. So we have done till example number 10. Okay, so in this video we'll be starting with our 11th example and it is on page number 129 of our NCERT book. So example number 11 is find CI. Find CI on rupees 12,600 for 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. So we have to find CI. CI means compound interest. So it means we have to find the interest on rupees 12,600. It means our principal is 12,600. Our time is 2 years. And rate is 10%, and we are also given that we have to find the compound interest compounded annually. Annually means हमें full complete year चाहिए होते हैं and we have full complete 2 years. So directly we will be applying the formula and the formula for amount is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. Okay, and here P is the principal, R is the rate and N is the time. So, principal is 12,600, 1 as it is, rate is 10% and time is 2 years. So, we can write 1 upon 1 and we'll take the LCM of 1 and 100 which will come out to be 100. So, this will be into 100 and into 100 and this will be into 1 and into 1. So ये हो गया 100 plus 10 to the power 2. So 12,600 110 upon 100. Okay. अब ये 2 times क्यों लिखा? Because it was 110 upon 100 to the power 2 and raised to the power 2 means that we have to write this fraction 2 times. So अब ये आ गया हमारे पास now. 10 से 10 कट 10 से 10 कट again 10 से 10 कट 10 से 10 कट. So we have 126 into 11 into 11 is 121. So 126 into 121 करते हैं. This will be 126 as it is. 6 2 are 12. 1 carry. 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 and 2 1s are 2. Again 126. Okay, so this is 6, this is 2 plus 2 4, this is 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry, this is 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. So we have 15,246. But ये हमारे पास आया अभी amount and we want compound interest. हमें चाहिए interest. Now we know that interest equals to amount minus principal. Amount is 15,246 minus principal is 12,600, right? So 15,246 minus 12,646 as it is. This would be 12, this would be 4. So 12 minus 6 is 6 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 2,646. So this 2,646 is the interest. Okay, so the compound interest comes out to be 2,646. So इसमें हमने 2 formulas use करे. The first one is the compound interest formula for amount and the second one is interest equals to amount minus principal. So children, you should know that amount equals to principal plus interest होता है, ठीक है. So for interest हमारा principal transpose हो जाएगा इस side पे, so that's why our interest equals to amount minus principal. So when we have one equation, उससे हम 2-3 equation transpose करके अपने आप बना सकते हैं. So हमने वही किया. We had हमारे पास अगर दो चीज़ें हैं, so the third thing we can calculate by this. अगर हमारे पास अमाउंट है और प्रिंसिपल है तो हम इंटरेस्ट निकाल सकते हैं, और वही हमने किया. ओके, सो दिस वाज आवर एग्जांपल नंबर 11 ऑफ चैप्टर 8. Now children, let's come to example number 12. Example number 12 is on page number 130. Example number 12 says, what amount is to be repaid? What amount is to be repaid on a loan of rupees 12,000 for 1.5 years at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Now we are given the principal, time and rate, and we have to find this amount by compounded half yearly method. अब compounded half yearly में हमें दो चीजें remember रखनी है always, that is time double, rate half. So we have principal $12,000 and time is 1.5 years and rate is 10% per annum. Now we know that time double होगा. So time है 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2 years. So into 2 कर देंगे. So this will give us 3 half years. So it means अब हमें ये apply करना है formula में, not this. ठीक है. And rate तो हो गया 10 का half होता है 5. Right. So rate is 5% now. ठीक है. So now we will apply this in formula. Amount equals to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. Now for amount we know that principal is 12,000. 1 as it is, rate is 5% and time is 3 half years. So this is 12,000. We can write 1 upon 1. So this will be upon 100. So this will be 100 plus 5. कैसे? Because ये होगा into 100 into 100. Right? So you get 100 plus 5. That is amount equals to 12,000 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. Now I wrote this fraction 3 times because in the last step हमें दिया हुआ था 100 plus 5 upon 100 to the power 3, and raised to the power 3 means write this fraction 3 times. Okay, so this is 5 21s are 20, 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10 and 0 as it is. So basically हमारे पास आ जाएगा तीनों में 21 upon 20, 21 upon 20 and 21 upon 20. Now 3 zeros से 3 zeros cut. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So basically the amount comes out to be, पहले तो हमें 21 का क्यूब करना है. So 21 into 21 होता है 441. So अब उसको एक बार और into 21 कर लेते हैं. So this will be 441 cross 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So this is 9261. Now 9261 into 3 भी करना है because अभी 3 भी है and then upon 2 भी है. So basically अब हम इनको इसको into 3 करते हैं. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 2 6 plus 1 7 and 9 3s are 27. So we have 27783 divided by 2. Okay, so now 27783 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2.5. So ये आ गया हमारे पास अमाउंट 13891.5. Yes, this is the amount. अब ये तो हमारे पास, और हमें अमाउंट ही कैलकुलेट करना था. चिल्ड्रन सी, हाफ ईयरली मेथड से हमने इसमें अमाउंट कैलकुलेट किया. थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन टफ थी बट आवर आंसर comes out to be right. Our answer is 13,891.5. Okay, so always remember in half yearly questions time double rate half. यहाँ पे अगर हमने ये नहीं किया तो हमारा आंसर करेक्ट नहीं आएगा. टाइम डबल रेट हाफ, ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर दिस. So then we applied the formula and the amount comes out to be 13,891.5 rupees. Okay. So this was our example number 12 of example of chapter 8. Now let's come to example number 13. Example number 13 is on page number 131. Example number 13, page number 131. The example is find compound interest paid on rupees 10,000 invested for 1 year and 3 months. For 1 year and 3 months at 8.5% per annum compounded annually. Yes. So we have to find the compound interest paid for on rupees 10,000 invested for 1 year and 3 months at 8.5% per annum compounded annually. Now we have compounded annually. So it means time double rate half. ये इसमें formula फंडा नहीं use होगा. So we have principal 10,000 time 1 year 3 months and rate is 8.5% per annum, which means 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17/2%. Okay, now time is, अब हमें compounded annually निकालना है. ठीक है, and in annually we know that we want complete years, but यहाँ पे complete year नहीं है. बट वी नो दैट जब भी हमारे पास कुछ मंथ्स एक्स्ट्रा होते हैं तो वो एक्स्ट्रा मंथ्स हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट से कैलकुलेट करते हैं एंड जो फुल ईयर है वो हम पहले कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग फॉर 1 ईयर. ओके, सो द अमाउंट इक्वल्स टू प्रिंसिपल 1 प्लस रेट अपॉन 100 टू द पावर n. नाउ अमाउंट इक्वल्स टू प्रिंसिपल इज 10,000, 1 as it is, rate is 17 अपॉन 2, 17 ऊपर एंड 2 इंटू 100 हो जाएगा, सो अपॉन 200 टू द पावर 1. नाउ व्हाई 1? बिकॉज अभी हम 1 ईयर का कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. सो दिस विल बी अपॉन 1. सो 10,000 अपॉन 200 हो जाएगा. अभी हो जाएगा 200 प्लस 17. ठीक है. सो वी विल गेट अमाउंट इक्वल्स टू 10,000 इंटू 217 अपॉन 200. 20 से 20 कट एंड 250 is 100. So amount equals to 10 as it is. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8 and 5 2s are 10. So 10,850 is the amount. But ये amount तो अभी 1 year का आया है. Now we will calculate for 3 months. Now 3 months equals to 1 upon 4 years. How? Let's see how. 1 year में होते हैं 12 months. ठीक है. So 1 month में 1 upon 12 years हो गए. 12 इधर आ गया, ट्रांसपोज हो गया. So 3 months में 3 1 upon 12 इंटू 3 हो गया. वापस से ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा ना. 3 months में इंटू 3. So this will be 3 upon 12 means 1 upon 4. ठीक है. So 3 months में हमारे पास कितने years हैं? 1 upon 4. Now simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100. And now we have to remember that principal here would not be the original principal, but the amount from the last year, that is 10,850. Always remember, principal में अगर आपने यहाँ पे original principal लिख दिया तो आपका interest wrong हो जाएगा. So 10,850 into 17 upon 2% into time is 1 upon 4. So you see हमने यहाँ पे 2 into 4 क्यों किया? Because 17 upon 2 and 1 upon 4, right? So वो अब नीचे denominator में आ जाएंगे. Now 1 0 से 1 0 कट. We have 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. तो अभी हमारे पास आया है 217 into 17 upon 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. ठीक है. So 217 into 17 करते हैं. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. 8 9 10 11. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. 1 7s are 7. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. So this is 3689. This is 3689 upon 16. Okay. Now let's cut. 3689 divided by 16. 16 2s are 32. We have 48. Now 16 3s are 48. We have 9. एक जीरो लगेगा because 9 is not divisible by 16. अब हम पॉइंट लगाएंगे और जीरो लगा लेंगे. ठीक है. So now 16 5s करते हैं. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5 6 7 8. So yes, 16 5s are 80. So we have 10. पॉइंट लगा ही हुआ है, एक और जीरो लगा लिया. Now we have 16 6 36. तो 96. ठीक है. तो अब चाहे कुछ भी बचे, हमारे पास आंसर आ गया 230.56. दिस इज द इंटरेस्ट. 230.56. नाउ सी. नाउ इधर से हमारे पास अमाउंट आया था और इधर से हमारे पास इंटरेस्ट आया. एंड व्हाट वी वांट इंटरेस्ट, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सो ये जो अमाउंट है इससे भी हम पहले इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे. सो इंटरेस्ट फॉर 1 ईयर कितना है? अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल 10,000 850 minus 10,000. So this would be 850. So interest for 1 year is 850 and interest for remaining 3 months is 230.56. So total interest would be 850 plus 230.56. So ये हो गया 0.56 as it is. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have 1080.56 as the interest. Yes, 1080.56. This is the interest for 1 year and 3 months. Okay, so this was our example number 13. इसमें हमने annually निकालना था, so 1 month का अलग से निकाला and then we calculated for 3 months through simple interest. And 1 month का amount निकला था तो उससे interest निकाल लिया, amount minus principal करके. Then we added both the interest 850 plus 230.56. So we got the interest as 1080.56. Okay, so this was example number 13 of chapter 8. So children, example number 14 and 15 are still left that we'll be discussing in our next video. So till then revise each and every example of this chapter. Examples of this chapter are very important. Okay, and always remember the half yearly funda, that time double, rate half, and in annually we take complete years and जो separate months रह जाते हैं that we calculate by simple interest as we have done in this example. So example number 14 and 15 we'll be discussing in a separate video. Till then, stay tuned for my next video and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.